Yeah, so good evening everyone. So some network issue maybe. So is everything okay? Is audio, video, everything okay? Check, let me check one time. Check one time everyone. Is audio, video okay? Can we go ahead further? Can we go ahead further? If audio, video okay, please let me know. Fine. I think anything is problem, please keep in the comment section. Please keep in the comment section. Yeah, in your groups also, please can you post, can you post in your group also, can you post once? In your groups also, please post once. If any problem, post here. In your groups also, post about the class. Class is starting now. Today's class is starting now. Can you post? Now my question is going to be, yesterday wherever we stopped, yesterday we done one problem. Today is the first problem. Today it is the first problem. Yesterday we done one problem. Today is the first problem. Can you go ahead? Everyone, can you try? Static scoping, what is the answer for this? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer for this? Can you try? Yesterday we done one problem. If you have one or two doubts, this problem will clarify. So today's class, it is the first problem. Can you go ahead? Today's class, it is the first problem. Can you go ahead? Today's class, it is the first problem. Can you go ahead? Let's see how many people will give answer. Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Please try once. Let's try what is the answer for this. Let's see how many people will give. Let's see how many people will give. Everyone have to try. Everyone have to try. What is the answer of this problem? Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Just I want to know. This problem will give full clarity. This problem will give full clarity. Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? This problem will give full clarity. This problem will give full clarity. Everyone should try. Everyone should type. Please type, everyone, what is the answer for this? Everyone, please type, what is the answer for this? Everyone should type, what is the answer? Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Everyone should type. Don't, if you want to sit idle, please don't come. If you want to sit idle, please don't come. If you want to work hard, then only come. You want to work hard, you want to respond everything. If you have doubt, anything you want to ask, then only attend the classes. Only for sitting purpose, don't come. It is not movie theater to sit idle. It is a classroom. If you have doubt, ask. People are doing reverse. People are doing reverse. In the movie theater, they will ask doubts. In the classroom, they will sit idle. In the movie theater, sit idle. In the classroom, ask doubts. People are doing reverse. People are doing reverse. If you have doubt, ask. Can you say what is the answer of this? Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? By default, global variable memory will allocate in the static area. For global variable, memory will allocate static area, compile time itself. Compile time itself for global variable, memory will allocate in the static area. Sir, running time creating okay, but compile time itself, how memory, sir? Sir, running time creating memory okay, sir. But compile time, how, sir? How compile time itself creating? It's something like this. It is something like this one. If you want to, right? See this one. If you want recharge, some people will do prepaid recharge. Prepaid. Some people are asking, sir, before running itself, how memory, sir? Before running itself, how memory, sir? Sir, compile time itself, how memory, sir? It is something like prepaid recharge. Before using only, please recharge. Something is going to be postpaid. Something is going to be postpaid, right? Something is prepaid. Similarly, here also, prepaid. Compile time means prepaid recharge, right? So running is almost like, right, cash on delivery. Running is almost like cash on delivery, right? So, right, everyone know. Compile time itself means prepaid recharge. Someone saying static scoping will give reverse. Static scoping will give reverse. Are Shikhar, mind gone or what? Static scoping will give error. Mind gone or what? How yaar? How static scoping will give error, yaar? Everyone try. Don't come like a visiting professor. Some people are coming like a visiting professor. Today they will come, tomorrow they don't come. Tomorrow they will come, day after tomorrow don't come. Don't come like a visiting professor. Don't come like a visiting professor. Let's go ahead. I'm starting. See this one. I'm starting. Let me give the answer. I'm starting. Compile this program. Everyone listen. I'm doing static scoping. Let me write here. Static. Yeah, not able to see. Let me try this. I'm writing here static scoping. What is the answer? I'm trying here. Static scoping. What is the answer? I am trying here. Can you see this one? First, compile this program. Everyone listen. Compile this program. If you compile this program, global variable memory will allocate in the static area. In the static area, global variable I memory will allocate. Address is 1000. For global variable, memory will allocate compile time itself in the static area. Some people are saying that, sir, declaration means creating memory. What is the meaning of declaration? Data type followed by variable name. Data type followed by variable name, that is called declaration. Declaration time memory will allocate, right? But some people are asking, sir, no value. If no value, remember, if no value, actually by default garbage. But remember, static area is very small area. Static area is very small area. In the small area, if any one is created, by default 0. Global variable memory will allocate in the compile time itself in the static area of memory. Suppose if you don't keep anything, if you don't initialize anything, by default normally garbage. But static area by default 0, because static area is a very small area. They will clean also. But stack area is a very huge area. You cannot clean. If you clean, it will take a lot of time. It is something like, see, total city I cannot clean, but my house I can clean. Some people are asking, sir, static area you are cleaning means 0. But stack area you are not cleaning. Stack area is huge. Total India I cannot clean. It is not possible. Total India I cannot clean. It is not possible. But my house I can clean, because my house is very small. I can clean. So So global variable memory will allocate compile time itself in the static area. If you don't keep anything by default 0, because static area is very small memory, so you can clean also. Clean means keeping 0. Okay, global variable memory created in the compile time, yes. Right, compilation is over. Let me run the program. Compilation is over. Let me run the program. Compilation is over. Let me run the program while running, right? Local variables will come to the picture. You have to create memory in the stack area. Let's start now. So program execution will start from main. Can you go to the main? Very, very important thing. Can you go to the main? In the main first point, see this one. I is equal to 10. Very, very important thing. In the main first line, I is equal to 10. Very, very important. I is equal to 10 is a very, very important. Some people are asking, sir, main is called means main will push. Ready, sir? Main is called means main will push. Okay. Next one, first line, I is equal to 10. Remember everyone. Remember everyone. Right? In the main program, there is no declaration. In the main program, there is no declaration. I don't know which I it is. See, you are using I. It is not a declaration. You are using I. It is not a declaration. You are using I. So which I it is? Because of no declaration, this is called scope problem. Because we don't know from where it came. Declaration is there, then only local. Inside main, there is no declaration. What is the meaning of declaration? Data type followed by variable name. That is called declaration. In the main program, no declaration. There is no local variable. But you are using I. Then which I it is? Then which I? This is called scope problem. Static scoping we are discussing. Static scoping, no local, then global. So global, right? This will change. I value 10. This will change. If no local according to static scoping, right? It is a scope problem, but static scoping saying that take global variable. Global variable already there, I. So in that memory, that 10 will be stored. So first line is over. Can you see the second line? Second line is F function is called. So F will push. Remember, inside main, there is no local variable. Inside main, there is no local variable. Because no declaration is there. No declaration means no local. Then which I it is? It is a scope problem. Static scoping global variable. Global variable I that will be replaced to 10. Okay, fine. So second line, F is called. Can you go to the F? In the F function, if you observe first line, declaration is there. Declaration means local variable created. I value 1. Remember, this I is already 1000 memory location. This I may be 2000 memory location. First line over. Can you go to second line? G function is called. Let's go to G. In the G function, first line, see this one. G function only one line there. Print I. Very interesting. In the G function, no I. No I, but you are using I. This is called scope problem. Static scoping, global variable. So 10 will be printed. Static scoping, global variable, 10 will be printed. 10 will be printed. So in the G function, line number 1 completed. Further no one. Further no one means G function is popped out. G function popped out means from which place you came, that place you went. G popped out. Now you will go to F function. Can you go to the F function? In the F function, can you see this one? In the F function, second line purpose you came. When you go back, second line is completed. When you go back, second line is completed. That indication that F function is over. F function over means pop. F function over means pop. When you say pop, you will go to previous one. Means you will go here. So for the second line purpose you came. Now second line is over. That means main also popped out. Main also popped out. When main also over, right, automatically total program is over. The static memory also, right, global variable memory also gone because program is over. Program is over. So I think whenever a total program is over, right, global memory also gone because there is no use. Remember, function over, global memory will not be over. F function over, global memory cannot over. G function over, global memory will not over. Right? Main program also over means total program over. If total program is over, definitely global memory also gone. At the end of the story, static scoping 10 is the answer. At the end of the story, static scoping 10 is the answer. At the end of the story, static scoping 10 is the answer. If anyone having any objection till now, please let me know. Anyone having any objection till now, please let me know. If anyone having any objection till now, please let me know. Static scoping answer is 10. Remember, static scoping very simple. If no local, go to global. I'm writing here. If no local, I'm writing here. If no local, then go to global. Then go to global. That is the meaning of static scoping. If no local, then go to global. If no local, then go to global. If no local, then go to global. Yes, is it okay? If no local, then go to global. It's okay. Now let's go to dynamic scoping. Same story, I will do dynamic scoping also. Same story, I am doing dynamic scoping also. Can you see now? Dynamic scoping also I am doing. Same thing I am doing dynamic scoping also. Everyone observe. Everyone observe here. Same thing I am doing. Same thing I am doing for dynamic scoping also. Can you observe here what is going on? Can you observe here what is going on? Everyone try to understand. Same thing I am doing for dynamic scoping also. Static scoping, everyone knows. Static scoping very simple, yeah. If no local, then go to global. What is there in that, yeah? What is there, yeah? Yesterday I explained. Yeah. If no local, go to global. Sir, some people are asking, what is the meaning of no local? Local declaration not there. Local declaration not there, but you are using. That is called free variable. That is called scope problem. Right now, let's go to dynamic scoping. Everyone observe. Compile this program. Everyone observe. Compile this program. Everyone observe. Compile this program. If you compile this program, for a global variable, memory will allocate in the static area. If you compile this program, for the global variable, memory will allocate in the static area. So I is equal to, right, some memory location created. Because of you didn't kept anything, by default in the static area 0. If you don't keep anything, some people are asking, sir, how can you set the declaration? Data type followed by variable name. It is called declaration. Data type followed by variable. It is called declaration. Right? Global variable memory create compile time itself. How before running only how memory, sir? Ready, sir? Before running only how memory? Array man, before using only, why are you doing recharge? What is the meaning of prepaid recharge? What is the meaning of online booking? What is the meaning of online booking? While watching movie, if you give ticket, that is called running. But before watching movie itself, you are booking the online tickets. That is going to be right. Compile time itself creating memory. That is the meaning of compile time itself. It means I think it's I can say right. So I can say right before only you are doing. That is called some approximate memory will be created. Sir, before only how we know demand? That is the meaning of prepaid, postpaid. When you say prepaid, you are getting some idea. Oh, I want this much approximately. I want approximately this much. Prepaid, that is the problem. How you know how much you need? Some guess. Some guess they will do. Right? Other than this, nothing there. Can you see once again now? Compile this program. Global variable memory will allocate. Compile time itself in the static area. So if you don't keep anything, by default 0. Okay, let's run the program. Running will go in the stack. Running will go in the stack. Running will go in the stack. Let's run the program. Program execution will start from main. Let's go to main. Program execution will start from main. Let's go to main. In the main first line, I is equal to 10. Remember, it is not a declaration. Many people will do mistake here only. It is not a declaration. It is a using. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of it is not declaration? See, no data type. Data type followed by variable. That is called declaration. So there is no memory creation here. Variable is not created. You are using. It is not a declaration. You are using. Some people are asking, sir, without declaration, how can I use? That means no local. How can you use? Right? That is okay. This is called scope problem. In the main itself, you got scope problem. What is the dynamic scoping? You will go to previous. Before main, previous. Who is there? No one there. Before main, right? If you say go to previous, who is there? I think before main, there is a global variable. Before main, there is a global variable. So remember in the main program itself, there is a scope problem. You have to take the global variable. Because before main, there is only global C. Before main, there is a global. Means before running compilation. Before running compilation means compilation time global variables. So remember, in the main program itself, there is a scope problem. Dynamic scoping go to previous. Before main, nothing is there. That means global variable. So this one, it will change it to 10. So first line over. Can you see the second line? F is called. Go to F. In the F function, local declaration there. F function, local declaration is there. So create memory. I value 1, address is 2000. Right? Now see the answer. G function called. Go to the G function. Go to the G function. In the G function, first line, print I think I see in the G function, there is no I. It is a scope problem. Right? It is a scope problem. In the G function, you are using I, but there is no I inside. It is a scope problem. Dynamic scoping. Right? Go to previous. Means from which place you came, that place you go. From which place you came, that place you go. So you came here. So I think here there is a local variable, right? Local variable not there here, but dynamic scoping go to previous. I think this is one. Dynamic scoping. Dynamic scoping. Right? So one will be printed. After printing is over, dynamic scoping, print I, because of not there, I came here, printed, right? After printing is over, you will go back. See, what is the meaning of this one, sir? From here, how can you print, sir? So one time pop I came, I printed, right? One time I pop, I came here, I printed. Once again, I will push also. That is the reason dynamic scoping implementation little difficult. Dynamic scoping implementation little difficult. Static scoping easy. Static scoping easy, dynamic scoping little difficult. That is the reason most of the programming languages follows static scoping, not dynamic scoping. So whenever there is no local here, print I, no local, dynamic scoping, go to previous. Previous is there? Yes. So print it, afterwards go back to actual, right? So I think because of not there, I came here, I printed, I will go back. Now come to G function. G function first line is over. Print I, not there, dynamic scoping. So go to previous, I printed. Okay, now come back. Come back here, so because you are in the G function. G function, some work purpose, you went down. After that work over, come back. Now I am in the G function, first line is over. That means G function is popped out. G function, one line that is completed. G function popped out. Popped out means going back to F function. In the F function, second line purpose you came. Now second line over. That means F function is over. F is popped out. So F, right? F, why you came, right? In the main function, second line saying go. Because of now, F function is over, come back. So now I will go to the main. Main first line over, second line over. Now main also completed. Whenever main is over, I think a total program is over. Global area memory also deallocated. So static scoping answer is 10. Dynamic scoping answer is 1. Right? What is the meaning of dynamic scoping? Go previous. Go to previous. You may forget, I may forget what is the previous, but stack don't forget. Stack knows very well what is there in the previous. How stack knows? If you pop one time, you will go to previous. You may forget who is the previous. I may forget who is the previous, but stack don't forget. In the stack when you pop, you will go to previous. In the stack when you pop, you will go to previous. Static scoping answer is 10. Dynamic scoping answer is 1. If anyone having any objection, right, please let me know. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Manish is saying, I completed this subject, but I just want to say hi. That is the reason I came. Hi. Hi, Manish. Hi. Hi, Manish. Manish, go to hell. Manish Bhaiya, go to hell. Are Siddharth. Siddharth is saying, love you, sir. Yeah, Siddharth, same to you. Siddharth, same to you. Siddharth is saying, hi. Hi, sir. Hi, sir, love you. Same to you, Siddharth. Chalo, can we go to next one? Someone is saying, your dynamic programming is amazing. Your dynamic programming is amazing, right? Dynamic scoping also amazing. Dynamic programming is amazing. Dynamic scoping also amazing. Yeah, can we go to next? Bro, can we go to next? Can we go to next? Can we go to next? Shikhar, can we go to next? Any doubt? Please let me know. Any doubt? Any doubt? Hello? Hello? Any doubt? These Gootless came and they disturbed my class. This Manish Gootle, Siddharth Gootle, these two came and they disturbed my class. Two Gootles came to my class and they disturbed and they went. Right. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Yeah, take the next problem. Take the next problem. Yeah, next problem is going to be a little tricky. Let's check. Let's check. Int a is equal to 3. Int a is equal to 3. Main m of a main m of a n of x is equal to x into a printf x next one m of y yeah, it is a program. It is a program. Can you try yourself? Static scoping, what the answer? Static scoping, what the answer? Dynamic scoping, what the answer? Please, can you try? Static scoping, what the answer? Dynamic scoping, what the answer? Can you try this? Let's see how many people will give answer. Static scoping, what the answer? Dynamic scoping, what the answer? Please try properly. Please try properly. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Everyone try. If you want to sit idle, please go to movie and sit idle. Please go to park and sit idle. Don't sit in my class idle. Don't sit idle in my class. If you want to sit idle, please go to movie, sit idle. Please go to park and sit idle. Those people who are sitting idle, I am really saying to you, after marriage also you will sit idle. If you are sitting idle, after marriage also you will sit idle because you are practicing that only. Whatever you practice now, same thing will happen. You are sitting idle now, after marriage also you will sit idle. After marriage also you will sit idle. Can you go ahead? What is the answer of this program? Let's see how many people will go. Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Let's try. Let's try everyone. Try everyone. Try. Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Very less people will give answer. Let's check. It is a problem which is given in one of your previous paper. One of your previous paper, this problem is given. In the previous year papers, it is there. It is there in the previous papers. It is there in the previous papers. Try everyone, what is the answer? Try everyone, what is the answer for this? Can I give answer? Can I give answer? Let me try. Let me try. Now I am doing static scoping. Remember, static scoping is something like C program. Static scoping is nothing but out of C program. Let's see this one. Output of C program. When you say static scoping, output of C program. Static scoping means output of C program. So I think everything is fine now. I am starting. See this one. I am starting. Static scoping is my goal now. My goal is static scoping. Everyone can watch. Everyone can see. Everyone can see. Everyone can see. Compile this program. Global variable memory allocated. In which area? Static area. Static area for global variable A, memory allocated. For static variable A, right? Sorry, in the static memory, global variable A, memory created. Right? By default 3. So because he is given 3. If you don't give by default 0. If you don't give 0 will be there. Because of he is given 3, we kept 3. Compile time itself, global variable memory allocated in the static area. Okay, that's okay. Now let's go to stack. Running, program running is going on. Program running is going on. Can you see everyone? Program running is going on. See everyone now. Take one stack. Okay. Take one stack. Yes, I took. So program running will start from main. Program running will start from main. Yes, I am starting. In the main only one line there. M of A, M function. In the main only one line, that is M of A. So remember M of A. Remember everyone, in the main program there is no A. In the main program, no declaration for A. In the main program there is no declaration for A. Then you are using A where no declaration means no local. I think static scoping, no local means global. Remember A going means, what is the A here? No local means global. A means 3 here. Because global person. No local means global according to static scoping. So A going means 3 going. A going means 3 going. Remember A going means 3 going. Whenever any variable is going, right? Variable is not going, its value going. What is the value? 3. 3 going. Who is the receiver? Y. So A value 3 going. 3 going like this. Who is the receiver? M of A. Receiver is Y. See, int Y, declaration. It is the declaration, memory will allocate. It is the declaration, memory will allocate. So 2000 memory location allocated. Whatever value came, it will store here. A going means A value going. Who is the receiver? Right? Int Y, memory will allocate. Inside Y, 3 will be kept. Okay, that is also okay. Now M function is running. Everyone observe. Now M function is running. M of Y. M of Y, where Y value 3. Okay. So now see this one. Y already contain 3. Address may be 2000 inside. Right? Remember this Y is the local variable of M function. This Y is the local variable of M function. Inside M, A also created. Inside M, A also created. It may be 3000 memory location. Value is 1. Remember, inside the M function till now, 2 local variables are there. Int Y also, int A also. 2 local variables are there. Inside the main function, now 2 local variables. Y also, A also. Now see the answer. A is equal to Y minus A. What is Y? 3. What is A? Local person. A is 1. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. 2 will store in the A. So this A becomes now 2. Right? I think this line is over. This line also over. Now N of A. So third line. See this one, third line. What is the A here? 2. So N, right? A going means A value going. Who is the receiver? A value 2 going. Who is the receiver? Int X. X memory will allocate. X value 2. Address may be some other memory location. You can give 4000. Now I think here N function. N of X. Right? It is the X. X is now 2. So remember, X is a local variable for the N function. Value is 2. Address may be 4000. Some memory location. Okay, right? Next one. X is equal to X into A. Every one lesson, X is a local variable. For the N function, X is a local variable. But remember, A is not here. In the N function, we don't know from where this A came. In the N function, we don't know from where this A came. Static scoping, global variable means this A. Whenever no local, right? According to static scoping, right? Global variable. This A means this A value. A value 3. This A value 3. What is the X value? 2. 2 into 3, 6. X became 6. X became 6. Next one, print X. 6 will be printed. Print X, 6 will be printed. This is completed. This is completed. That means N function completed. Control will go back. So third line is over. In the M function, third line over. Can you see the fourth line? Print A. Right? I think if you observe clearly, in the M function, print A. A local already available. A local is 2. I'm repeating once again. In the M function, local variable A available. Local variable, right? Local variable A available. So value is 2. 2 will be printed. So I think this also completed. Then M function also popped out. Control will come back to main function. In the main, line number 1 over means main also completed. Then automatically static variable, right? Static memory also gone. Then all will gone. All gone. Static scoping answer is 6-2. Static scoping answer is 6-2. Anyone having any objection, let me know. Static scoping answer is 6-2. Those people who are having doubt, let me know. Let's see how many people given answer as 6-2. Let's see how many people are given as answer as 6-2. Let's check. Let's check. Static scoping answer is 6-2. How many people got 6-2? Static scoping answer is 6-2. How many people got 6-2? How many people got at least now? At least now, how many people got? At least now, how many people got? Observe clearly. Observe clearly. Static scoping answer is 6-2. No local, go to global. No local, go to global. No local, go to global. Static scoping. No local, go to global. So from the main program, A is called. What is A? No local, global. So 3 is going. Who is the receiver? Y. Who is the receiver? Y. Now y contains 3. Right? Inside the M function, y is already local. A is 1, which is local. A is equal to y minus A, 3 minus 1, which is going to be 2. A is updated in the M function to 2. Afterwards, n of A, 2 will go. Who is the receiver? Right? In the n function, receiver is x. X contain 2. In the n function, x contain 2. Afterwards, x is equal to x into A. X is 2. What is A? In the n function, A is not local. No local means global. N value, right? A value 3. 2 into 3, 6. X became 6. Afterwards, print x. 6 will be printed. Whenever from the n function you go out, now you will go to M function. In the M function, y is already 3. Y is already 3. A is already 1. 3 minus 1, 2. A is changed to 2. Right? Afterwards, you went outside. When you come back, print A. So 2 will be printed. 6, 2 will be printed. Static scoping answer is 6, 2. How many people are having doubt now? Static scoping answer is 6, 2. How many people are having doubt now? Let me know. Let me know how many people are having doubt. Static scoping answer 6, 2. Say yaar. How many people are having doubt? Static scoping answer is 6, 2. How many people are having doubt? You don't respond. You don't respond. I given lot of time. I given lot of time. First of all, you given a right wrong answer. You are given wrong answer. Afterwards, I explain. At least do you have doubt? Sir, in function definition, y is local to M, of course. If y is not local to M, then to whom? Okay, y is not local to M. To whom it is? If y is not local to M, to whom it is here? In the M function int y. In the M function int A. So M function having 2 local people, y also, A also. In the n function, 1 local, int x. Check everyone. Static scoping answer 6, 2. Will you agree or not? Static scoping answer is 6, 2. Will you agree or not? Static scoping answer is 6, 2. Will you agree or not? Please make it fast. Static scoping answer is 6, 2. Will you agree or not? Inside main 2 declarations, int y also, inside M 2 declaration, int y also, int A also. 2 declarations. 2 declarations. Let me know anyone having any doubt. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Everyone have right. Everyone having right to ask. Everyone having right to ask. Everyone having right to ask. Can I move to next problem? Can I move to next problem? Can I move to next problem? Hello? Dynamic scoping, can I go? Yeah, let me do the dynamic scoping. Let me do the dynamic scoping. Let me do the dynamic scoping. Yeah, compile the program. Global variable memory will allocate. Static area, a value 3, address is 1000. It's okay. Now let me run the program. Program running means stack. Main will start. Okay. In the main, m of a, m of a. Interesting thing is, in the main function there is no a. In the main function there is no a. So I think it is not local variable. So then which variable it is? No local means global. That is the static. No local means previous. I think before main previous, right? I think global only. So it is a free variable. It is a scope problem. Dynamic scoping. What is the meaning? So go to previous. I think before main previous, no one is there. That means global variable. Worst case, global variable will come. So a value 3. 3 will go. 3 will go. So 3 is k. Who is the receiver? In the main function, one local variable y there. Y is the receiver. Y is now 3. Right? So 3 is going, receiver is. In the main function, right? Sorry, in the m function, one local variable y is there. One local variable y there, that y contain now 3. So in the m function int y is 3, okay. I think in the m function, one more local variable a there. That a contain 1. That is also okay. Next one, can you see the second line? A is equal to y minus a. Y 3, a is 1, 3 minus 1, 2. So a change it to 2. So can you see the third line? So n of a is 2, 2 going. Who is the receiver? In the n function, x. Now x contain 2. In the n function, one local variable x is there. Now x contain 2. Now see the first line. In the n function, can you see the first line? In the n function, see the first line. X is equal to x into a. X already 2, but a no local. See the interesting answer. You are at n function. X is equal to x into a. X is 2, okay. But what is a? In the n function, there is no a. In the n function, there is no a. So what is the meaning? Scope problem. Then what is the solution? Dynamic scoping. Go to previous. I think you came to this function from here. Go to previous. In the previous one, at least a there. Yes, this a will be taken. I am in the n function. I don't know. X is 2, okay. But what is a? In the n function, what is a? No a. No a is there. Then which a I have to take? Dynamic scoping. Go to previous. Previous means like this. See the stack always. Previous means this. So previous, I think previous one a there. Yes, that 2 will be taken. So this is 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. So this x contain 4. Afterwards, second line, print x, 4 will be printed. Print x, 4 will be printed. So after printing is over, n function is completed. Means control will go back to from which place you came. I think you came in the m function for the third line purpose. Now third line is over. Can you go to fourth line? Print a. What is a? In the m function, any local variable a there. Yes, there. Print a. So 2 will be printed. Local variable a is there. 2 will be printed. Afterwards, m function is completed. Then control will go back to from which place you came. In the main function, only one line. That is also over. Then main function also completed. Then automatically, right? Static memory also gone. Total program is over means static memory also gone. Dynamic scoping 4.2. Are you okay? Dynamic scoping 4.2. Are you okay? Dynamic scoping 4.2. Are you okay? Check everyone. Dynamic scoping 4.2. Static scoping 6.2. Yes. Yes. Can anyone having any objection? Anyone having any objection? Let me know. Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Everyone, can we move to next? Yeah, let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Everyone can see the next problem. Next problem is very tricky. Next problem is very tricky. Let's see. Next problem is very tricky. Let's see here. See the next problem. Int A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. Main. Int A is equal to 5. C. Printf A comma B. D function. Next one, C function. Printf A comma B. A is equal to B plus 5. D function called printf A comma B. Next one, D function called int B. B is equal to B plus A. Printf A comma B. Yeah, find out yourself. Static scoping, what is the answer? Find out yourself. Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Find out. It's a very interesting problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. For this problem, static, what is the answer? Dynamic, what is the answer? Can you check? Can everyone try? Static, what is the answer? Dynamic, what is the answer? Please try, everyone. Everyone try. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Those people who are sitting idle, after marriage also you will sit idle. Those people who are sitting idle, after marriage also you will sit idle. Please remember this again and again. If you sit idle, after marriage also you will sit idle. Again and again I am saying, please don't sit idle. This is not the age. This is not the age to sit idle. This is not the age to sit idle. Make it fast. This is a very tricky problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. It's a very tricky. Yeah, let me give answer. Let's see how many people are giving answer. Let's see once. Static for this. Everyone try. Everyone try. I am able to see only Siba is given answer. Only Siba is given answer. No one is given. Static and dynamic. Please try both. Static and dynamic. Please do both. Shikhar, please go ahead. Shiba done static. What about dynamic? Shiba do dynamic also. Shikhar, you are not done. You are not done static also. Yeah, let me try answer. Those people who done the static, let me give the answer. This problem you are okay means you are okay with all. See this one. This problem you are okay means you are okay with all. See everyone. Compile this program. Global variable memory will allocate. In the static area, global variable memory will allocate. So A is 1, B is 2. Remember, I am doing static scoping. Compile this program. For global variable, memory will allocate A1, B2. Okay, that's okay. Let's go to main. So stack required. Let's go to main. So stack required. This is the main. In the main first line, declaration, memory will allocate. So in the main second line, C function called. Go to the C now. Remember C function, right? Second line over, then only third line. Second line purpose, I went outside. Outside who there? C function there. In the C function first line. Careful everyone. In the C function first line, print AB. Remember in the C function first line, print AB. No, right? A local, B local, no. A is not local, B is not local. No one local. Means it is a scope problem. Static scoping, global variable, 1, 2 will be printed. In the C function first line, print AB. A not local, B not local, no local, static scoping, global. I think 1, 2 will be printed. So second line, first line is over. See the second line. A is equal to B plus 5. So what is the B? What is the B? No local, static scoping, global. So global, what is the B? 2. 2 plus 5, 7. So A will become 7. Global only will change. From where you are printing, from same place you will change also. No local means global only, because it is a static scoping. So in the C second line over. Can you see the third line? In the C function third line, D function is called. Go to the D. Go to the D. In the D function, come to first line. First line is int B, memory will allocate. Because of you didn't kept anything, by default garbage. In the D function first line, int B, because of you are right, because of it is a declaration, memory created okay, but you didn't kept anything, by default garbage. Local variables stack area, by default garbage. Global variable static area, by default 0. Remember, see the second line, B is equal to B plus A. B is equal to B plus A. What is B? What is B? I think B is a garbage already. B is equal to B plus A. B is equal to B plus A. B already garbage. Garbage plus anything is garbage. So B is garbage only. Nothing change. Next one, print AB. What is A? Remember everyone, what is A? A is not local. No local means static scoping, global. A is outside, 7. What is B? Garbage. What is B? Garbage, because right, B updated, but garbage only. Garbage plus anything is garbage. So I think in the D function all are over. So D is popped out. D is popped out. So in the C function, third line is over. Let's go to fourth line. Print AB. In the C function, what is A? What is A? A not local. B also not local. Means no local, means static scoping global. Go outside, check. I think global 7.2. AB 7.2. So in the C function, all completed. So C function cancel. Then go to main. In the main, second line over. Can you go to third line? Print AB. In the main A5, okay, because he's a local, but B no local. No local means static scoping global. So B value 2. B value 2. So 5.2. 5.2. I think third line over. Can you see the fourth line? Can you see the fourth line? D is called. Can you see the fourth line? D is called. Come to the D now. Come to the D now. Right? So now I am at main. Main is calling D now. Now main is calling D. In the D function first line, B created by default garbage. Then garbage equal to garbage plus something, garbage only. Afterwards print AB. B garbage. What is A? What is A? No local. No local. In the D function there is no A. In the D function there is no A. No local. Static scoping. Static scoping. Take global. Right? Global is A value 7. 7 comma. D is garbage. So in the D function, all are completed. So D popped out. Whenever D popped out, control will go back. So in the main function, fourth line also over, main also popped out. Means total program is over. So answer is 1 to 7 garbage, 7 to 5 to 7 garbage. This is the output. Let's see how many people got. Let's see how many people got. Let's see how many people got. Yeah. So static scoping 1 to 7G, 7 to 5 to 7G. Static scoping 1 to 7G, 7 to 5 to 7G. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If anything wrong, let me know. Sibai, am I wrong anything? Sibai, am I wrong anything? Please check. Am I wrong anything? Siba, please let me know. Everyone, please check. Please check everyone. Hello? Hello? Yeah, is it okay? If you agree, I can move to the next problem. If you agree, I can move to the next problem. If you agree, I can move to the next one. Can I go to dynamic scoping? Can I go to dynamic scoping? Can I go dynamic scoping? Yeah. Shikhar, you got or not? Shikhar, you got or not? Avinash, you got or not? Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead next one. Let's go ahead next one. Let's go ahead. Dynamic scoping I am doing. Same thing I am doing for dynamic scoping. Little doubt also there, you can get it. Little doubt also there, you can get it. Dynamic scoping I am doing. Dynamic scoping I am doing. Let me change it. Let me remove the unnecessary part. Everyone, same story repeating one more time. Can you see this? Same story repeating one more time. Can you see this, everyone? Can you see this one, everyone? Same story repeating one more time. Can you see this? Now everyone see dynamic scoping I am doing. Everyone, same story. Global variable memory, static area, compile time. So A1, B2. Okay, that's okay. Let's run the program. Program execution will start from main. Go to the main. In the main, if you see, in the main, if I see first line, in the main, if I see first line, int A is equal to 5, memory created. A memory created. So next one, first line is over in the main. Second line, C called. Go to the C function. In the C function first line, see the interesting answer. C function first line, very important one. In the C function first line, print AB. Print AB. I think in the C, A not there, B not there. They are not local. Print AB. A and B not local. Then who are those? I think no local. I have to go to global in the static scoping. But in the case of dynamic scoping, go to previous. In the stack, go to previous. In the stack, go to previous. I think previous means from which place you came, that place you have to go. In the diagram, if you want, you can go like this. Simplest way is just to draw the stack. No need to confuse. Stack will give clarity. Previous means go to previous, right? In the stack, pop one time, you will go to previous. So in the C function first line, print AB, no local, dynamic scoping. So what is the answer? Go to previous. In the previous, if I go, A there. So A is 5 because he is saying print AB, A 5, but B not there. So A, B not there in the C. That is the reason I go to previous. In the previous, A there 5, but B not there. If B not there, go to previous. I think previous no one there means main. Before main no one there other than global. So global value 2 will print. A will be taken from here because of lack of B. I will go to previous. Because of lack of B, I will go to previous. So previous no one there. No one there means I think before main, right? There is a global variable. So 5 2 will be printed. So okay, I think in the C function first line purpose I done this much work. First line is over. Can you see the second line? Now I am in the C function only. First line over. Can you see the second line? A is equal to B plus 5. Can you help now? A is equal to B plus 5. What is the B? Already I taken 2. B is 2. So I went before, not there. I went here. So B is this 2 only. 2 plus 5, 7. Will goes to where? A. What is the A? I am at here, A not there. I came here. So this A will be 7. From which place you are taken? Those places only how to change. From which place you are taken? See, A, B means 5, 2. Why 5, 2? A, 5 here. B, 2 here. From which places you are taken? Those places only how to see. B value 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Will goes to A. What is the A? 5. 5 place will be 7. So in the C, second line also over. Can you see in the C, third line, D function is called. Go to the D. In the D function first line, int B created. By default, garbage. First line over, second line. B is equal to B plus A. Garbage plus A. A means this A, 7. Garbage plus 7 is garbage only, no change. First line over, second line over. Can you go to third line? Print AB. B garbage, okay, but what is the A? A is here. No local, then dynamic scoping. Go to previous. A is 7. So 7, right? 7G. A is 7, B is G. So now D function is completed. So D popped out. Then go to C function. In the C function, third line over. Can you go to fourth line? Print AB. In the D function, careful everyone. Sorry, in the C function, I am at C function. In the C function, print AB. B garbage, but what is A? Right? What is A? So I repeat, remember everyone? So I am in the C function. In the C function, print AB. What is B? B garbage. What is A? Not there. Go to previous. So A is 7. 7 garbage. D function also same story. In the C function also same story. 7 garbage. Am I done anything wrong? Am I done anything wrong? So otherwise, let's go to D function. D function print AB. D function print AB. I think what is the answer? So how many values are printed until now? How many values are printed until now? Maybe I may be done something wrong. Let's see. I may be done something wrong. Let's check one time. Let's check one time. Print AB, 52 printed. Afterwards, A is equal to B plus 7. That is also done. D function I came. So let us assume that I came to D function. See this one. I came to D function. Until now, how many values are printed? One value printed. Assume this is the case. Maybe somewhere I confused it. That is the reason I am doing again. So listen. So in the C function, print AB. In the C function, print AB. No local, go to previous. So A is 5. But what about B? B not here, right? Outside. So 5 2. Okay, first print a 5 2. Okay, now see this one. In the C function, second line, A is equal to B plus 5. What is the B? Because of no local, I will go to the previous one. So 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. So A 7. Right? A changed it to 7. A changed it to 7. Am I right? This is the current status. So second line in the C function, second line only over. A is equal to B plus 5. B value 2. 2 plus 5, 7. So A becomes 7. Okay. Now D function I came. Remember everyone, I came to D function. In the C function, right? Here there is no garbage. Sorry for that. Here there is no garbage. I am at D function. Whoa. So I'm confused. I'm doing from starting. Sorry for inconvenience. I confused means of course you will also confuse. I confused means you will also confuse. Let me do from starting. Nothing there here. Nothing. Right? One place I done the little confusion. So everywhere same thing will be there. Let's start. Sorry for inconvenience. I'm starting again. Now everyone observe. Everyone. We got the one more opportunity. We can do best. Can you see this one? Compile global variable memory. So 1 here, 2 here. First compile. A will be 1, B will be 2. Okay, fine. Now let me run the program. Main program onwards I'm running. In the main first line, A value 5. In the main first line, A value 5. So next one. So I think 1 over. Go to the 2. C called. Go to the C. In the C first line, print AB. No local. So scope problem. What is the dynamic scoping? Go to previous. So A5. Okay, but B not there. Go to previous, not there. Means global variable. So A value 5, B value 2. So 5 2 printed. Okay, fine. After printing is over, can you see the second line? A is equal to B plus 5. So until now, so whenever I am at the C function, A print AB means 5 2 printed. So A5 B2. A5 B2. What is the A? This. What is the B? This. So B is this. 2 plus 5 is 7. So A is 7. So this is changed to 7. Right? So this A changed to 7. Because it is there. Right? It is there. So A value 7, B value 2. B is this one, right? See, B2, 2 plus 5 is 7. That 7 will goes to A, right? This 7 will goes to A. Because of no one is the A here, I came here. So A value 7, B value 2. I think until now we are already done. Now listen, don't confuse. Now D called. From the C function, D called. So D called. Can you come to the D now? D, I am at D now. In the D function, int B, memory will create. By default, garbage. Int B. So B is, right, by default garbage. Next one. B is equal to B plus A. Right, B is equal to B plus A. I think garbage plus anything is garbage. So I think first line over, second line over. Next one, print AB. Everyone listen. Print AB. B garbage, okay. But what about A? A not there here. Come here. A not there here. Come here. So 7. So 7 garbage. So D function also completed. When D function is over, let's go to C function. Let's go to C function. C function fourth line, print AB. Remember, no A here, no B here. Nothing here, nothing here. What is the answer? Go to previous. When you go to previous, A 7, but B not there. Go to previous, B 2. So 7. 7 2. So this also completed. So C function over, cancel it. Then you will go back. So second line is over. Can you go to third line? Print AB. I am in the main function. Print AB. A7. B not there. Go to previous. B2. So 7 2. This also completed. Let's go to the D function. Again come to D function. Again come to D function. Can you see this? Again come to D function. Can you see this one? In the D function first line. In the D function. So D is here. D function. Main called D. Main called D function. In the D function first line, B created, which is garbage. B is equal to B plus A. So garbage only. Print AB. B garbage. But what about A? Because of it, the dynamic scoping, go to previous. A7. So I think 7 garbage. So 5 2, 7 garbage, 7 2, 7 2, 7 garbage. Totally 5 values printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, now check. Now check. If I done anything wrong, let me know. So because of it is a big problem. Maybe I also done somewhere wrong. It is a big problem. I also done maybe somewhere wrong. Please let me know. I will do again. I don't have any objection. I don't have any objection. Please let me know. If you think at anywhere you confused, let me know. I will do once again. If no local, go to previous. If no local, go to previous. Nothing there. You no need to bother. You confused. I also confused. Everyone should confuse. If at all big problem, some confusion may be there. If big problem, some confusion there. You confused. I also confused. After all, we all are humans. After all, we are humans. Can we go to next? Can we go to next? Hello? Karna saying B is garbage, so it would change at every print statement executed. Karna, is it okay? Karna, is it okay? If anything is not okay, please execute one time. If anything is not okay, please execute one time. See, today we done this problem. We done this also today. We done this also today. Right? In the yesterday we done this. In the yesterday, big story happened. First one. Right? Yesterday's class also you have to see. Those people who are not done yesterday, please go to yesterday. This is the starting one. Scope of a variable. Scope of a variable. It is the first problem. Many things. One problem only I explained. Entire yesterday 2 hours. Entire yesterday 2 hours. I explained one problem only. I explained one problem only. Please listen. Please see the yesterday's problem. To run the program, we are using stack data structure. Main is called means main will push. B is called means B will push. All the basics I done. Next one. Local variables will be created in the stack area. Global variables will create in the static area. By default, static area. By default 0. Means if you don't keep anything, by default in the static area, zeros will be there. By default in the stack area, garbage will be there because stack area is a huge area. I cannot clean. But static area is a very small area. I can clean. Next one. Let's assume inside D function, a variable, no declaration. Means inside some function, no declaration, you are using it. That is called scope problem. That variable is called free variable. Right? Whenever free variable concept came, we have two solutions. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Static scoping, no local, take global. Dynamic scoping, no local, go to previous. Go to previous one. If previous one also not there, go to previous. Previous also not there, go to previous. Continue. Worst case, global variable. Static scoping, Directly will take, no local, global. But dynamic scoping, go to previous, go to previous, go to previous, worst case, global. So C programming by default follows static scoping. What is static scoping? No local, then go to global. If global also not there, then error message. Right? Static scoping, no local, global, it is very easy to implement. Most of the programming languages follow static scoping. What is the dynamic scoping? No local, go to previous. Go to previous means one time pop in the stack. If not, suppose there also not there, go to next. Go to next means go to previous by popping one more time. Continue, continue, continue. Worst case, global variable. If global also not there, undeclared variable. So it is difficult because so many pops. See this one, here pop. Dynamic scoping is difficult because so many pops. See, pop here, so many pop, unnecessarily so many pop. So it is difficult. So most of the languages follow static scoping. By default means if they don't mention, go for static scoping. Right? And one more thing is, right? GATE 2026. Last batch is announced. This is the last batch of GATE 2026. If you don't start it till now, please start now. You have only 8 months time. 13 subjects for CSE people, 10 subjects for DA. At least start now. This is the last batch of GATE 2026. Afterwards, very difficult. So today's class is the first problem. Any doubt is there, you can ask here, or you can join our group. You can ask doubt there also. It is the second problem of today's class. Right, see this one. I think 1, 2, today's class 3 problems we done. Last class we done the 4 problems. And one more important thing I want to say to all of you. All of you, I want to say one important thing. So in 2026 GATE exam, 2025 GATE exam, my student Avichal got 4th rank. In the 2025 GATE exam, my student Avichal got 4th rank. So many ranks we got. 4th rank we got. So many ranks we got. Next one, right? Next one. See, these are the free resources. Subject wise daily tests are going on. Right? See, droppers test also going on. And one more thing is, right, freshers test also going on. Those people who are preparing first time, every day one droppers test there for droppers. Every day for freshers who started recently, for them also one test is going on. Those people, right, one more test is there for freshers also, droppers also. Only for droppers, tough questions are there. For freshers, easy questions are there. For combinedly, not easy, not tough, right? Moderate questions are there. Every day 3 quizzes are going on. They are free. And 20 years PYQs also free. Short notes and long notes also free. Go to Exampreptool website, you can find out all these things freely. 6,000 verified questions are free. Free doubt solving. If anyone is not joined, free doubt solving. Right? In the description, you will find out our free doubt solving group. Please go and join, ask them. Otherwise, this is our WhatsApp number. You ping us, we are going to add you. This is our WhatsApp number, 888-208993. This is our WhatsApp number. You ping us, we are going to add. Free doubt solving. Within 30 minutes, your doubt will be solved.